In today's world, where the need for sustainability is more critical than ever, the cement industry stands as a significant contributor to greenhouse gas emissions at 8% of total global emissions. Yet, solutions for mitigating these emissions remain either elusive, often out of reach for many due to their high cost. Enter PyGreen, a beacon of innovation in the fight against climate change. Established in 2019, our journey began with a simple yet powerful mission to revolutionize the way we approach environmental challenges. We started our journey when we pioneered a patented filterless technology capable of capturing particulate matter emissions from vehicles, generators, and industrial units. This innovation not only marked a milestone in India but also propelled us into the forefront of global climate space. But as we celebrated our successes, a new challenge emerged: the need to address CO2 emissions. Undeterred, we embarked on a journey of research and development for the last 3 years, leading to the creation of our latest breakthrough, the Net Zero Machine. Our Net Zero Machine promises to redefine the cement and concrete industry by significantly reducing greenhouse gas emissions by up to 80%. What sets it apart is its proactive approach, intercepting CO2 emissions at the source to prevent their release into the atmosphere. We are a vaccine in the world of band-aids. At PyGreen, we not only prioritize innovation but also uphold the highest standards of equity and sustainability. Our state-of-the-art factory operates on principles of environmental responsibility, ensuring a greener future for generations to come. Furthermore, our proprietary PyGreen feedstock utilizes waste materials from hard-to-abate sectors, fostering a circular economy and reducing greenhouse gas emissions. This cradle-to-cradle approach not only minimizes environmental impact but also creates sustainable solutions for the future. But don't just take our word for it. Our technology has been lauded by industry leaders and experts for its effectiveness and impact. Join us in shaping a brighter, more sustainable future. PyGreen, leading the way in tomorrow's climate solutions today.